folks, thanks for joining me today. My name is Emilie.McKennon. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to take you on a personal tour of the brand new 2020 Vita from Winnebago. Today's floor plan that we're looking at is 24F. All right, real quick around the outside, you've got your 110 outlets, cable outlet when you're at a park. This is where you're going to put your freshwater hose when you are on a road trip. That's for your freshwater tank. Full ladder, backup camera, nice beautiful Winnebago logo on the back. Your hose storage right here. Your 30 amp outlet cord. And then you've got all your tank flush systems here, potable water connections. Let's go ahead and step inside and check out the floor plan. All right, so again, we are on a Sprinter chassis. It's a diesel Mercedes Sprinter chassis, and we've got 188 horsepower with 325 foot-pounds of torque. We've got a nice big television here, and what I love about these TVs, what Winnebago does really well is they hide storage really well. Look at the amount of storage behind that television. That's an amazing amount of space for extra things that you need in your kitchen, your videos, your board games. You've got a nice big bunk here for extra storage if you're just a couple traveling, or if you've got grandkids that come with you every once in a while, or if you're a small family looking for a nice way to travel. This is a great place for the kiddos. They got a nice little hole right there, a nice little window, vent fan to keep themselves cool, and a privacy curtain. This also folds down into a bed. I really like the fabric color that they chose here. It's really durable, it's scratch resistant, not cat resistant, but it is scratch resistant and it's very, very easy to clean as well if you spill something on accident. You've got nice big cupboards here. These are adjustable shelves. There's also a bar there, so if you wanted to use this as an extra, hang something if you needed to, if you just needed some extra space. Also, you have a nice pull-out drawer here with another little shelf. Extra wardrobe space here as well. Again, removable shelving. And what I love about Winnebago is that they give you these little stickers on all the cabinets, so that if you're ever needing a part, you just give them that sticker number and they'll send that particular part or cabinet or whatever you need to your nearest dealer, whether you're on the road or at home. You got a nice 3-burner gas stove, a convection microwave oven. I kind of like the fact that they do put it below, because if you're on the road and you're wanting to heat something up real quick, it's not going to risk falling on you, so that's a bit of a safety issue there. So good job on them. Plus they give you extra cabinets up top. Corner bed, and you've got some extra storage up top with the LED lights. You have your outlets, USB ports. Nowadays they're just throwing USB ports everywhere in RVs, and it's a good job. Then you've got your full standing shower. You've got a nice big dome there, so that if you need some extra head space, thank you, and wash sink right here with your medicine cabinet. If you'd like to know more about this coach or any other coaches that you see on our inventory, again, my name is Emilie.McKennon with Guaranty RV and in Junction City, and phone number you can reach me at is 541-998-1148, extension 2519. Until next time, enjoy the road.